Learn to speak Thai like a native speaker. So the first word that you will learn from our classroom today is shoes. Shoes we call รองเท้า สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Nacha. I'm a Thai native speaker and you are now watching me at My Sweet Nacha channel under the playlist My Sweet Nacha Teach Thai, the playlist that you can learn to speak Thai like a native. I'm learning life in the same university as all of you guys. Let's just call ourselves the student of Life University. So how fun could it be when passion meets life learning? And if you like my contents, you want to see me again, don't forget to subscribe and also give me some thumbs up so that I will have an encouragement to make it better and better next time. The first episode of My Sweet Nacha Teach Thai, I'm gonna bring you to the road trip from Los Angeles to Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Park. Part 1. It's a day before the trip, so it's about preparation, some incident happened, and what are you gonna learn from my day. Part 2. It's the first day that we're going to start the trip together. Part 3. It's the second day of my trip that we are still going to visit the national park and then make our way back home. Well, let's just start the journey together and learn Thai with me. My Sweet Nacha Teach Thai. Hey guys, as I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video that as we are a Life University student and we got to learn Thai language together with me, My Sweet Nacha Teach Thai. Well, in this video, as I would like to make it as a section from our trip. So it's gonna be the road trip from Los Angeles to Sequoia, and yes, I'm so excited for the trip for sure. However, something unexpected happened as I plan to bring my shoes that I'm thinking that is suitable for the trip. Somehow my shoe was ruined. Look, the sole has peeled off like that, so I don't think it's good condition anymore to just use it for this trip. So let's just start the class together since this thing happened for us, right? So the first word that you will learn from our classroom today is shoes. Shoes in Thai we call รองเท้า Shoes we call รองเท้า and when the shoes is ruined we call พัง in this term my shoes was ruined, so I would say รองเท้าพัง ruin is พัง รองเท้าพัง so ค่ะ is a word, the polite word that's suitable to use for a female, so I would say รองเท้านัชชาพังค่ะ พังแล้ว Today is my only one day that allowed me to prepare for the trip. I went to the trip store after my errand done this morning, so in the afternoon actually, and I was so lucky. I was so lucky because you know what, this thing just happened for us. I was expecting that I will just grab one pair. Then I manifest when I reach there that I will just need a pair that's suitable for my trip, and the universe just sent me 2 pairs. Look, it's really meant to be, right? It looks a little bit dirty. Let's see. Oops, stop it. It looks a little bit dirty, but I know that I definitely can touch up, especially the sole. But you know, like it's gonna get dirty anyway when we go for the trip, right? As long as I can wear, I just don't care. Sorry to disturb, guys. Just now I was saying, I just don't care. Well, I'm just thinking we can learn something from here. Don't care In Thai you can say ไม่สนใจไม่สนใจ I don't care and the price was just so friendly. Oh my gosh, you know, like both are just $6 only. As you can see, $6 only. The thrift store is something quite new for me in the States. I didn't know earlier until like the recently only. And thrift for me is considered a saving, but in terms of like you're getting something from the thrift store, it's definitely not the first hand. Most of the stuff is not the first hand. Only very rare that you might have some new clothes with that, but that is hardly to happen. Second hand in Thai is called มือสอง and so this one, the second hand shoes, even though it might be like third, fourth, fifth hand, so whatsoever, we still call second hand. Second hand shoes รองเท้ามือสอง Two pairs of second hand shoes we call รองเท้ามือสองสองคู่รองเท้ามือสองสองคู่ See? Easy. I am going to do cleaning for sure because it's a little bit messy and as well as to sanitize also. So I have got the wet wipe. I've got some like multi-surface or all-purpose cleaning spray. Then I will start doing some cleaning. The shoes is a little bit like can tell that it wasn't like in the beautiful condition, but that is so minor for me, to be honest, that rather that I don't have the new shoes or suitable shoes that I can just wear and don't care much, and if it's get dirty or it's like torn off again, then I will just throw it away. And this is something that I'm so happy to have it today. Let me just try to wipe it, and I'm just use whatever equipments and the things that I can have. Wow, it's so easy. It's so easy to clean, you see.
But then inside, I will just use the sanitizer wet wipe to just clean inside as well.
You are old for someone, but you're definitely new for me. Period, guys. So, just now, I was saying that the shoe was old for someone, but it was new for me. Let's just learn something from this phrase. Old in Thai, you simply can say เก่า Old is เก่า and when to say something is new for you, then you can just simply say new is ใหม่ New is ใหม่ Alright, just continue to enjoy. You know what I'm gonna do? One more thing that I'm gonna do. Use the away odor spray to make sure that we will just remove some odor inside, but I didn't smell anything, but just in case, a little bit like that, and then I'll just leave it stay here until it like dry for tomorrow. So the next pair is camper. I'm quite excited about this pair because when I was thinking to take this pair back home, I was thinking, oh my gosh, it's quite dirty everywhere like this. But this is so challenging. So I challenged myself that how much can I clean it up? When you said you want to challenge yourself, you can just easily say in Thai, challenge is ท้าทาย yourself ตัวเอง to combine together into one phrase, then you said ท้าทายตัวเอง Now in terms of cleaning, to clean we call ทำความสะอาด to clean is ทำความสะอาด So when you want to say, I challenge myself to clean this pair of shoes, in the easy way as a native Thai, you can say นัชชาท้าทายตัวเองให้ทำความสะอาดรองเท้าคู่นี้ It's long, right? So that's why we learn word and phrase and then sentence. So just give yourself time and learn something new slowly. You can just come back and watch this video anytime that you want. But the major idea of watching this video is just to learn and enjoy. Okay, so let me challenge myself to clean these pairs of shoes. And I really want to know that how much can it be clean. Look how dirty. Look how dirty. Never mind. Look how dirty. When you want to say dirty in Thai, this word you can say สกปรก Say again สกปรก And the opposite of dirty is new or clean. So when you want to say clean, you can say สะอาด สะอาด So สกปรก สะอาด Wow, it looks so neat and clean, unbelievable. Oh my gosh. And this is just $6. It's the same price. And look, camper. I've got like the power. This is my superpower to taking care of things. Alright, you see. Good condition. Good decision. Good condition is สภาพดี สภาพดี Good is ดี Condition is สภาพ Then I make the good decision. Good decision is ตัดสินใจถูก ตัดสินใจถูก Yay, guys! You are passed for being the student of Life University. So the first classroom, we have learned so much. And yes, we just be so passionate into doing something to make a decision to make your day delightful. As a life is a learning, as a passion, also the part of life learning. So just be grateful, enjoy, happy for every moment. And right now, I'm so happy that my shoes so clean and it is so cheap. Okay, guys, thank you very much that you doing so good. So please tell yourself that you are doing good in terms of learning Thai together with me, my sweet Nacha teach Thai, and being good of giving yourself time to learn and find something new and enjoy and make sure that life is about learning and passion is the part of life learning. So just enjoy every step, every moment, and yeah, we will definitely be here together. And you will just have to remember one thing, that you can just learn slow. It's still learning. You don't have to learn fast. Give yourself time, and then you can come back and watch this video anytime that you want. This section is about my story, how do I grab my shoes, what happened, how do I clean my shoes. I have to step back a little bit to do my laundry, and then I hope that for the next section that I'm going to do a preparation and packing, I can come back to you again. Alright, give me a moment and I will see you very soon.